Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we're here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of May in the year 2025, our system has rated Rigetti Computing as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.02. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $9.25 would initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of decline and might signal the onset of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential reduction of approximately 28.23% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 59.21% and negative 27.35%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 113.60%. Based on these calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 63.13% and 465.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $14.91 and $51.66. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Rigetti Computing Incorporated Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price increased by 3.04% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. The price rose from $8.87 to $9.14 during the last trading day. The stock fluctuated by 3.81%, with a low of $8.94 and a high of $9.28. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 10.79% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 3 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 16 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $146.63 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 57.33% or $12.28 below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, known by its NASDAQ symbol RGTI, has recently made significant strides in the quantum computing landscape. On the 30th of April, 2025, the company finalized an investment from Quanta Computer, reinforcing their strategic collaboration. This could enhance Rigetti's financial stability and capacity for innovation, potentially driving short-term stock price appreciation as investor confidence strengthens around this partnership. Additionally, Rigetti is set to report its first quarter financial results on the 12th of May, 2025. This earnings call will likely serve as a major catalyst for stock movement, creating anticipation among investors about its performance and future guidance. Positive financial results could further boost market sentiment. Moreover, Rigetti has been awarded a grant of $5.48 million from the Air Force to advance its innovative chip fabrication technology. Collaborating with prestigious institutions, this project aims to refine their quantum computing capabilities, presenting a long-term growth narrative that could enhance Rigetti's position in a growing market. Investor interest in RGTI is also evident, with substantial searches indicating heightened market attention toward the company. As the tech sector continues to expand, Rigetti's developments may attract both retail and institutional investors, sustaining upward momentum for its stock. In summary, these recent developments position RGTI favorably for both immediate and longer-term impacts on its stock price. The strategic partnerships and upcoming financial disclosures are crucial factors that will likely shape investor sentiment in the near future. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley reported a buy rating for RGTI along with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham gave RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley issued a buy rating for RGTI along with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at $9.12 and $8.95. A fall below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, March 14, 2025, resulting in a decline of 18.54% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 135 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $8.95. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 340 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 3.81%. In the past week, the stock recorded an average daily volatility of 7.60%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. Keep a close eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.03. If you don't own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.95. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Revis David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. executed an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Revis David executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Revis David executed an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 9.747. Overall, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.58, indicating a decline of 6.08%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 33 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good investment? Rigetti Computing Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last review, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status. After examining the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by approximately 2.33 cents, starting at $9.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.